Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, this is our 6th session for Algebraic Identities. I hope you might have revised the previous 5 sessions before you are coming for this session. So let's take some more concepts, some more problems in this session. Now friends, we are going to discuss one very important identity. Here, if a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, then a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac, right? So you should be able to make the comparison when problem based on this identity come before you, right? So in this case, one more thing is important over here. If a plus b plus c is 0, right? If a plus b plus c is 0, then this entire right hand side will be 0. In that case, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will be 0. That means a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc, right? So this is very important relationship that we have got, right? So this expression and this expression, both you should keep in your mind, right? At least one problem based on them will come, that's for sure, right? Now observe this question carefully. Here this is a plus b plus c, and here it is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac, isn't it? This is 3x, this is 3x whole square, this is 2y, this is 2y whole square, this is 2z, this is 2z whole square, minus this into this, that is 3x into 2y minus 2y into 2z minus 3x into 2z, right? So this multiplication we know what that will be. It's a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, right? Here a is what? 3x, b is what? 2y, c is what? 2z minus 3 into 3x into 2y into 2z, right? So this is 27x cube plus 8y cube plus 8z cube minus, this is 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 2s are 36xyz, right? So this multiplication becomes very easy if you use this identity. Okay? Similarly, we see this question. Here this is a plus minus b plus c. This is a square plus b square plus c square minus 2a into minus b, I'm sorry, not 2, minus b into c, that is minus of minus b into c, then minus ac, right? So the value of this expression will be what? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, right? But here in this case b is negative, so what that will be? A cube plus minus b cube plus c cube minus 3a into minus b into c, right? So this expression can be written as like this. So this is what? A cube minus b cube plus c cube plus 3abc, right? So the problem becomes very simple. Now this is what? 4x whole cube minus 3y whole cube plus 2z whole cube plus 3 into 4x into 3y into 2z, right? You can expand it. It is 64x cube minus 27y cube plus 8z cube plus 3 into 4, 12, 3s are 36, 2s are 72. this is into, right, 72xyz. I hope you are clear. And otherwise what you can see, what you can do, you know this identity, a plus a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac, right? So here just put the value of abc, right? That is 4x whole cube plus minus 3y whole cube. B is actually minus 3y, so minus 3y whole cube plus 2z whole cube minus 3. A is what? 4x. B is what? Minus 3y. C is what? 2z is equal to a square, that is 4x whole square plus b square, that is minus 3y whole square plus c square, that is 2z whole square minus a, that is 4x into minus 3y minus bc, that means minus 3y into 2z, and then minus ac, that is 4x into 2z, right? Now this expression is nothing but this expression, right? And that will be equal to this, right? So quickly you have to make the comparison. Okay. One more problem based on the same identity. Here it's 2a square, here it is 3b whole square, here this, then this is minus of this into this is minus of this into this, right? So the same identity is there. So what you can do is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, right? Okay, so here this is what? 2a minus 3b minus 2c into 4a square plus 9b square plus 4c square plus 6ab minus 6bc plus 4ca is equal to, what I do? A cube. A is what here? It's 2a. B is what? It's minus 3b. C is what? Minus 2c. Okay. And then minus 3. A is what? 2a. B is minus 3b. And C is minus 2c. Right? So this is what? 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 8c cube minus minus minus, so minus 3 2s are 6, 3s are 18, 2s are 36abc, right? As simple as that. I hope you are clear now. Just do 2-3 sums more, and it will be really a cakewalk for you. Yeah. Now we have to find out the value of this expression over here. So whenever you see this expression, just try to recall that value of this will be what? Here I just write x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will be equal to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, right? You should be able to recall this identity. Now here what's happening? We have to find out the value of this, right? And here x plus y plus z is given and this value is given, but x square plus y square plus z square is not given, right? So we cannot find out the value of this. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to find out the value of x square plus y square plus z square. Now how we can do that? That's, see, x plus y plus z whole square is what? It is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 xy plus yz plus zx, right? So from this expression we can find out the value of x square plus y square plus z square. Now what x plus y plus z? That is 8. So this is 8 square, 64. Then minus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx will be what? 2 into 20, that is 40. and this is x square plus y square plus z square. So 64 minus 40, that is 24. That is the value of x square plus y square plus z square. Right? Now we have to find out the value of this expression. Now x plus y plus z we know, x square plus y square plus z square we know, and this expression, if we take minus as common, we will we already have over here, right? So now what? X plus y plus z, I just do it over here. X plus y plus z is what? 8, right? So this is 8. X square plus y square plus z square is what? 24. Minus, if I take minus common, it will be xy plus yz plus zx, right? So do not get confused. I'm just rewriting it over here for your conveniency. Now this is xy plus yz plus zx is 20, so it's minus 20. So that's 8 into 4, 32, right? So the problem becomes very simple if you are able to recall this identity. So we have used two identities precisely over here. One is this, another is this, right? Similarly over here, we have to find out the value of this. So further that will be a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab plus bc plus ac. Now in this case we have this, but we don't have this. So further what we'll do, we'll find a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab plus bc plus ac, right? Now a plus b plus c is what? 9. So 9 square is 81 minus a square plus b square plus c square is what? 35 divided by 2, and this will be the value of AB plus BC plus AC. So 81 minus 35. So that is 46 divided by 2, that is 23. So we have got the value of this also. Now we put the value in this. A plus B plus C is what? 9. A square plus B square plus C square is what? 35. Minus AB plus BC plus AC is 23, right? So it's 9 into 12, 108. Yeah, quite easy. Now friends, here it's a very important problem, right? So whenever you see this is a cube plus b cube plus c cube pattern, you should be able to recall this identity. A cube plus b cube plus c cube. Here b is negative, but the resemblance is there, right? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac, right? Now here if a plus b plus c is 0, or I just directly take this example. Here a is what? 25, b is what? Minus 75, and c is what? 50, right? So a plus b plus c is what? 25 minus 75 plus 50, that is 0, right? Now if you just look at here, a plus b plus c is 0. That means the entire right hand side becomes 0, right? In that case, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will be equal to 0, or we can say a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3abc, right? Now here in this case a is 25, b is minus 75, and c is 50, right? So what would happen? It is 25 cube minus 75 cube plus 50 cube is equal to what? 3 into 25 into minus 75 into 50, right? So this is a huge calculation over here. Now this becomes very simple if we apply this identity. So it's 3 into 25 into 75 into 50, that with negative sign. So it's 281,250, right? So the problem can be solved in just two to three steps if you are able to recall the identity. So whenever you see this pattern, that's a cube plus b cube plus c cube pattern, just try to compare this expression with this identity, right? Bright chances are there that it will fit. Okay, once again over here, further if you make comparison, a is 48, B is minus 30 and C is minus 18. That means A plus B plus C is equal to 48 minus 30 minus 18 is equal to 0. That means A cube plus B cube plus C cube will be 3ABC. So 48 whole cube minus 30 whole cube minus 18 cube will be 3 into A is 48, B is minus 30 and C is minus 18, right? So it is 3 into 48 into 30 into 18, right? So it is 77760. Yeah. The same thing is over here in the form of fractions. A is half, B is 1 by 3 and C is minus 5 by 6. Just add them up. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus 5 by 6 is 0. That means A plus B plus C is 0. That means A cube plus B cube plus C cube, that is 1 upon 2 whole cube plus 1 upon 3 whole cube minus 5 upon 6 whole cube, that is A cube plus B cube plus C cube will be 3A, B and C, right? So it is minus 3 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3 into 5 by 6. So precisely it is 5 by 12, right? So looks like a tedious problem, but turns out to be very simple if we are applying this identity. So friends, we have done good number of problems based on each and every type of identity. Now I take some random problems, try to solve them. So there will be a quick recap of all the concepts, right? Here A plus B plus C is 0 and we have to find out the value of this. Now what you can do is it's A square by BC plus B square by CA plus C square by AB, right? What you do, you multiply numerator and denominator by A over here, B over here and C over here. So it will be what? A by A, B by B, C by C. So it will be A cube by ABC plus B cube by ABC plus C cube by ABC, right? Now what? Just take LCM. It will be A cube plus B cube plus C cube by ABC. Now we have just discussed A cube plus B cube plus C cube will be 3ABC if A plus B plus C is 0, right? Here A plus B plus C is 0, right? So it will be what? 3ABC, and this is already ABC is there. So 3ABC by ABC, answer will be 3, right? So it's a good problem. Now see here, it's A raised to 1 by 3 plus B raised to 1 by 3 plus C raised to 1 by 3 is 0. Now what I do is A cube root I assume to be X, B cube root I assume to be Y, and C cube root I assume to be Z. That means precisely X plus Y plus Z is 0, right? That means X cube plus Y cube plus Z cube will be equal to 3XYZ, right? So X cube is what? Cube root of A's cube, so that will be A. Y cube will be what? Cube of this, so that's B. Z cube is cube of this, so that's C, is equal to 3. X is what? Cube root of A, cube root of B, cube root of C, right? Or we can say 3 times, it's A, B, C, cube root, right? And if we cube both the sides, what we will be getting? A plus B plus C whole cube is equal to cube of this, that is 27ABC, right? So once again the same application over here. So this is the correct answer. Just try to recall this, right? So this is bit variation, but you should be able to recall the property or the algebraic identity. One more variation of the same concept. Just again you should be able to recall, this is cubic pattern. What I do, a minus b is x, b minus c is y, and c minus a is z. Now x plus y plus z, right? If you add all of them, you'll be getting 0, right? This a and this a will be cancelled, b and b, this c and this c, right? So x plus y plus z is 0. That means x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be 3xyz, right? So this is x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that should be equal to 3xyz. X is what? A minus b, this is b minus c, and this is c minus a, right? So simply we can solve it. Similarly over here, this is further x cube plus y cube plus z cube, right? And I write it over here, x is equal to a square minus b square, y is equal to b square minus c square, and z is equal to c square minus a square. So x plus y plus z is 0 here. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be 3xyz. Now what xyz is? A square minus b square minus c square, and c square minus a square. Similarly over here, this is suppose p cube plus q cube plus r cube, right? Further p plus q plus r is 0. So this will be converted to 3 times a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a, right? This complete is p, this is q, and this is r. So p cube plus q cube plus r cube will be 3pqr if p plus q plus r is 0, right? Here a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a is 0, right? So this expression converted to this. This is going to be very important example. Now what? A square minus b square can be written as a minus b, a plus b. Similarly, b square minus c square is b minus c, b plus c, and c square minus a square can be written as c minus a, c plus a, right? And here it is a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a, right? So a minus b is cancelled, b minus c is cancelled, and this is. So finally we are left with a plus b, b plus c, and c plus a, right? So a problem is very important. Good number of times it has been asked in your exams. So do it like do this sort of pattern, at least 3 to 4 problems based on this pattern, right? So friends, we have done good number of problems based on each and every type of identity. So I hope you might have enjoyed this session and the previous sessions as well. Do revise all the sessions once again and do good number of problems. You can print the worksheets from the worksheet generator, right? So we'll meet you with the next topic. Once again, bye-bye.